this is Drive Greed, and today we are going to review the Tata Nexon. So we get 6 variants in Tata Nexon, that is XE, XM, XMS, XZ Plus, XZ Plus optional variant. So this is XZ Plus optional petrol. So we'll start with the front profile of the car. In the front profile you get this tri-arrow grille, and in updated version you will get bi-arrow. So here we will get the badging up of Tata in a piano black finish, and here is headlight of the car. In headlight you will get this DRLs that are daytime running, and this halogen lamps. Here you will get fog lamp. You will not get fog lamp in XE or XM variant. You will have to purchase that aftermarket. So here are 2 fog lamps. Now we'll open the bonnet of the car to see how its engine. So this car has 1.2 liter turbocharged engine. You can see. Talk about the side profile of the car. So we'll start with the tires. You get R16 Goodyear tires and 2 disc brakes in front and 2 disc brakes in rear. You will get alloys in XZ Plus and XZ Plus optional variant only. And here you will get the black strip, and here you get a mirror with piano black finish and a LED indicator. You can, when you unlock the car, this will open, and when you lock the car, this will close frequently. We'll talk about the rear profile of the car. So in the rear profile you get this tri-arrow DRLs that look pretty good in the night, and you will get the silver finish in the rear. So here you get Tata badging, you get rear view camera, and here you get tri-arrow finishing, and these are the parking sensors. You get 2 sensors in the back and 2 in front, and here you get the badging of the Nexon, and here you get rear wipers, and here you get somehow the badging of the lines. And let's talk about the boot space now. Boot space is of 350 liters. That is really good for long trips. Also you get partial tray in XZ Plus and XZ Plus optional variant. This is the key of the Tata Nexon. It has one lock button, the follow me to home headlamp button, the boot button, and the one unlock button. Now we'll talk about the rear space of the car. So rear space is really spacious, and you get one armrest here and with 2 cup holders. You will get also a bottle holder here. The XZ Plus optional variant will get 4 power windows, and here the lock unlock button. Here you get tutors. There also you get one bottle holder and 1 power window button, and here you get rear AC vents. This is all about the rear spacing of Nexon. You can comfortably sit 3 person in the rear space. Now we'll talk about the interior of the car. Interior is really luxurious. You will get it in dual tone color. One is cream color and one is piano black finish. On the steering wheel you will get cruise control section and one infotainment section. In infotainment you will get voice command that is really useful when you are driving. I'll just show you once. Set fan speed to 2.
Setting fan speed to 2.
See, this is really helpful when you are driving the car. And here you get multi-drive modes, that is Sport, Eco and City. In City, if your gear shifting is frequently taking place, so mileage will not affect in this City mode. And in Sport mode, you get a really good pickup. And Eco, you can save economy of the fuel. I'll show you.
Economy drive mode activated. Sport drive mode activated. City drive mode activated. Sport drive. Economy drive mode activated.
Like this you will get the multi-drive modes. Now here you get Express Cool. So what is Express Cool? If the weather outside is very hot and your car is also getting very hot, so you can press this Express Cool, and this window will roll down, and it will make the car cool down in just couple of seconds. Now we'll just turn it off and roll up the window. On the driver's side you will get this window controls button, and this lock and unlock button for windows if a child is sitting. And here you get the mirror adjustable button. You can adjust that side mirror and this side mirror from this only. Here you can see left and right. The instrument cluster is really modernized from the previous Nexon. In previous Nexon there was I think वो कांटे वाला मीटर बोलते हैं ना, वो होता है इसमें. Instrument cluster. So here you get total trip of the car, here speed, here which mode you have taken, here the time, and you will get the steering height adjustable. You can see. You can adjust it as per your convenience. Okay, so here you get the design of Land Rover. Actually, it is a tray. You can also keep your mobile phone here. This is the center armrest. Here is also space for some coins or etc. And here is cooled glove box. It is really cool. You can see this is very spacious, and you get 2 cup holders here, and here is you get a Medi supplies, some of that the Tata will give you, and here is tablet holder. I don't know why they have given that. So this is all about the interior of car, and yeah, here is sunroof. I'll tell you how to open the sunroof. So you have to just manually open it, and here you will have given the buttons, and this is the microphone. Actually, when someone calls you and you talk, so this is the microphone for that. If you have to open the sunroof, you will simply press this first button, and this will open. I will show you the upper view. Okay, and if you have to close it, just press this once. Okay, and this is about vent. So why there is vent? You don't have to, if you don't want to turn on the AC and don't want that wind coming on your face, then this seat belt also irritates when the wind comes. So you can simply press this vent button, and oxygen will come inside or air, so you can not irritate with the wind sound of the seat belt. And here you get coin holders. Here so you get coin holders, and this is a manual version. You can get also automatic version of this car. And this seat is height adjustable. I'll just show you. You can see. Yeah. So this is all about the interior of the car. You asked the questions that there is lag under the 3000 RPM. So now you will get that in the sport mode.
Sport drive mode activated.
These are just rumors that there is a lag under 3000 RPM. There is no lag under the 3000 RPM. You can see. So this is all about your lag questions. You also ask questions that there is a cabin noise in the car, so we'll play a song and drive the car to show you the cabin noise. So this was all about the cabin noise of the car. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like our videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in the right side of the subscribe button.